Hey YouTubers, hey Instagrammers, or wherever you want to watch this video. My name is Benny Manke. I'm the person behind Capture This. It was already known on the socials, but I just wanted to show you my new preset pack, the Lightroom preset pack 2019, which I've created and already uploaded. So check out the link in my description below or on Instagram in my bio, and how to use it and quickly adjust some faders. I'm gonna give you a short guide through one of my presets, so here we go. Okay, so we are in a Lightroom and we have the beautiful picture of one of my best friends. It's Csii, and the thing I like doing first is the automation of Lightroom. It does a pretty sick job, and you see my lighting was nearly done. And as you've installed them via not create but import presets, select those you want to install, obviously all of them. And yeah, that's it for the first step. And after you've done this, I'm gonna show you how to use the creameless one. I really like this one. It's one of my favorites. You just click on it, it's adjusted, and the only thing you need to do always on my preset is to adjust your lighting, because obviously not all of the pictures are exposed in the way they should be or they can be, and especially not for presets. Sometimes you need to adjust these faders, and that's super simple, and just like hitting some of the contrast away and also go away with some shadows, and you already can see it looks nice. I don't like it when it's too contrasty, so that's why I always do these two steps. Also the saturation, if you go nuts on it, it just looks not good. I really like the skin tones when they're a bit desaturated. You also could change something on the curves, because I left this open for you. You could a bit more vintage if you go like this. Then you have this kind of fade out look on the blacks itself. But that's nothing I would do on this picture. It's easy, it's simple, it's nice. You can also go a bit more to the right side when it comes to clarity, but you see it just fucks it up. I like it a bit more smooth, so -4 is my go-to. So that's it, and these are my presets for 2019. If you want to have them, just grab them in the description box below. And if you have any questions about my workflow or what you would know about how to create your own presets and export them, import them, or even, pro tip, use your own presets as LUTs for your videos in Adobe Premiere, just tell me if you would see that, because then I would do another video out of this. It's pretty simple, it's pretty fast, and saves lives and so much money, because then you can use all of your presets also as LUTs in Adobe Premiere. But that's it for this one, and see you soon.